Welcome back to part 4. We are getting closer to the end, but every new stage is becoming more difficult. The best part is that every time we finish a stage, we earn 1 plus page. That sounds great, but it also makes the game much harder. Alright, here we go. We just finished another level, and now our speed has increased again. I can already feel the difference. My character is moving much faster than before. This lame keyboard seems endless. Every section looks difficult and I have no idea how many stages are left. But we are not giving up today. Another checkpoint, that's another one speed added to our total. We are getting faster and faster, and I have to be more careful with every move. Look at how quickly we are moving now. At the beginning of the game, everything felt slow, but now the speed is really starting to build up. Let's keep pushing forward. Every stage we complete brings us one step closer to escaping the game slam keyboard. There it is, another level completed. Our speed just increased again. I wonder how fast we'll be by the end of this game. This is probably one of the longest keyboard games I have played, but that's what makes it fun. You never know what's waiting in the next area. We are making great progress. I don't want to stop now because I really want to see the final stage. If you have watched all of the way to part 4, thank you. If you watched all the way to part 4, thank you so much. We are amazing. Learn in the comments if you are still watching, so I know who made this world. Let's keep collecting more speed, keep moving forward, and see how far we can go. See you in part 5.